My name is Lekha Mulani and I've come from the UK to get treatment here at the Healing Hands Clinic. And the reason I've come is because I have a fistula in my body. I've lived with it for 2 years. They have done treatment for me in the UK. They put a set on for me and a insertion and drainage. But I have never felt completely, like myself since this has happened. I genuinely felt that my life cannot be just this, like managing a disease that felt like it was never ending. There was always chronic pain. And at one point I really did hit rock bottom, and I told myself that that this cannot be the solution. Like, there are multiple things coming up in medicine, there must be a treatment somewhere out there. I just need to reach for it. And genuinely, I think that was the best decision I've made in my life, mainly because I came to India, I came to Pune to get treated by Dr.Ashwin, and he showed me where they had even placed the set on, which was not really completely covering the Y-shaped fistula that I had. So honest to God, I could have had another abscess. It was just a matter of time. But because he showed it to me, he gave me the confidence that I will cure this disease. It is not something you have to live with for the rest of your life. I have come here and put my faith in this man, and I am not kidding you. That was the best decision I've made in my life, because I have a 3-year-old daughter, and I genuinely felt that when my son was born, he's 6 now, and I gave myself my 100% of me to him. But when my daughter was born, these problems occurred, and I felt like I couldn't even sit on the floor and really even play with her. I couldn't be the best version of myself with her, and she's only seen me in pain. So for that reason, I told my husband, I have to do this for myself. I have to heal. I have to get better. And I came here, and everyone is so positive, so wonderful. I mean, you don't even have to think twice before coming here, because they know what they're doing. Their science is thorough. My husband's a dentist, so medically I wasn't very sound. I'm an engineer, but he basically explained to me, after watching all their videos and their techniques and things like that, as to why he has changed the methods over time, because the rate of success was very low. So you have to realize his rate is 99% is because his science is so thorough, and I have experienced it firsthand. I'm not joking when I say this. He showed me what the problem was from day one, and he said to me, okay, clean slate, we're going to start now and we are going to get you healed. And this is my 6th week here, and we have just celebrated me being fistula free. And that in itself, to be able to wake up in the morning and say that, I'm fistula free, is a massive personal achievement for me, firstly. Because people don't talk about this disease. People are not really, because it's so private, so intimate. You think that, oh my goodness, it's too embarrassing. But honest to God, if you get the help, the right help, like how Dr. Ashwin has helped me heal, your whole life you will be cured of something that you don't, like the chronic illness that you have been living with is gone forever. So if you guys are out there and just really suffering like I did in my life, I promise you, come here, get treated. He is an honest man. He will tell you everything, put it out there, and I am going home in 2 days, fistula free. I promise you that could be you. So just put your faith in him and put your faith in this clinic. I promise you, they are doing good work here every single day. And I have, honestly, the positivity, the environment, the vibe you get, I feel like it's like a soul cleansing experience that I have had here. So thank you so much for everything you guys have done. Thank you. And honestly, I hope this video helps someone ahead. Thank you so much.